Imagine you're driving by a protest and you support the cause, so you beep your horn once or twice. That's exactly what Tracy Martin did in Las Vegas on Sunday, and she wound up with a ticket from Metro PD. Martin was at a demonstration Sunday afternoon at Container Park protesting ICE activity across the country.
I have been here 11 years and I have been to quite a few protests lately.
She went to leave, and as she drove away,
And I was like, oh, let's drive by the protest because there's people still out there and give them a little support. And I went beep, beep, beep as I went by.
from a honking horn to flashing lights, Tracy was shortly pulled over by a Metro police officer.
And he told me that the honking was excessive or abusive. Abusive, I think was the word. And I felt a little stunned.
And those few honks could cost her big.
It might be $75 or $195. It could be more. Up to $500 is what the statute says.
That's Joseph Meridon, a local lawyer commonly known as the traffic ticket guy.
Specifically with horns, for normal people, you have to use your horn when it's reasonably necessary for safety. And other than that, you don't use your horn when you're on the road.
Even still, the 87-year-old law is stunning many locals around.
I didn't know that. Now I know.
But it's a law that Meridon says can get a little tricky when it's based on discretionary circumstances. As for Tracy, she's planning to fight back in court. Do you feel that's an infringement on your First Amendment rights?
I absolutely do.
So for now, you might want to think before you honk. In Las Vegas, Mary Keeler, Channel 13 News.